Alright, y'all, this my RS4 right here. This the nitro conversion. Purple chassis. Same, this Benji's right here. We got a little walk around of that thing. This is the purple chassis as well. So y'all know they converted. We converted them. Little bells we were just messing with. Now we about to see what they do.
I went on when I filled out the tank.
Hit that bumper. For real? Yeah. I'll take that then. You got the same 3S I'm running too?
Yeah.
2560. Huh? Oh, we got him.
I know what happened here.
That was a clean pass.
Yeah, the shaft, I gotta make that groove.
Ah, so it's spinning.
Yeah. It's spinning.
2.5 free run, y'all, while Benji pick up his thing. Also, I want to show y'all on this body right here, I got a diffuser. So we're gonna see if that worked. Car end up flipping or anything, I'm taking that diffuser off. So, let's see. That's good too. Whoa.
Nothing?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Smooth, right?
Have you tried this thing?
Ran a 2. Oh nah, bro, that's a demon. 2.2. Car is a demon, boy.
I saw this bitch couple weeks.
Yeah? And you got the Vortex out there. Getting all crazy with it. I'm about to snipe him with the RS4. The Vortex killer right here. Get up in them beams. Ah, get his ass. Oh, Lord. Oh, my goodness.
You broke a tire.
I got the armor Limitless on 4S. And then Benji over there with the stretch Typhoon on 4S. Limitless hitting. Yeah, the tire is definitely helping you slip. 2.2 on 4S, that ain't bad.
You? I didn't see it. Let's on the fucking light.
Let's go again, let's go again.
Huh?
Let's go again. Pull it nice.
The reaction time. You want the reaction time.
Nah, I gotta be.
Watch. Watch.
See that reaction when he did.
One reaction time. 21 to 70.
Whole shot victory right there. My red lighter. That was a good run.
How do you flip that time on the light? Is there a difference in the way it's running with the tires?
Yeah.
Tires make difference.
2, 3, 2, 2. I red lighter. Red lighted again. I know I got your ass, man. Yeah, red lighter.
Come on, dude. You that hungry?
Eating all the red lights, right? That is crazy. He red lighted. And I caught his ass. But he red lighted.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. No, you didn't, dude.
Alright, y'all, got the XTM out. I'm gonna just try it with no body real quick. The other day when we was out here last Sunday, one of my TPs snapped the shaft, and I think it's because one of my grub screws came loose. So I had another TP. It's not the same TV or nothing, so I just want to see what it do. Just want to see what it do. That's 4S2. I'm gonna get another one there. I ain't really too like that pass. Amazing save.
Alright. What you riding? 3S?
4. Nice save, Benji.
Ready, Benji? Burning tires.
Two, three, 2, 3.
Wait. Okay.
I red lighted?
No, you're going right through my.
Oh shit! Bro, the thing did a wheelie, bro. Is this camera on?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, the thing did a wheelie, bro.
Making that noise.
Yo, the thing did a wheelie, bro. 2-0, bro. Yo, fuck! I don't even want to go look at the car. I want to see what I ran. I know I broke everything on that side. Alright, y'all. So from what I can see, I broke the wing. I think the wing took the blunt of the impact. But I guess that's it.
You got 2 holes. Just swivel.
Thank you.
And I'm still hitting the bring of wood. What the fuck? Oh no.
You ain't hit me that hard. That's how you come through right there.